I'm not used to this much space, honestly. New York, everything is pretty close together. Welcome to my LA apartment. Just kidding. This is actually a conference room in the building, but it's got great lighting and great seating, a lot. So this is gonna be a fun time. Let's tour the building, shall we? We begin this tour with an outdoor community space which has a barbecue grill that I've never seen anybody use, and this lovely little tree of life. And then we have the pool area, which I've never seen anybody swim around here. But then again, it's winter. However, it's nice to sit down and read a book when the sun is shining in the middle. At the right time of day, of course. There's also a jacuzzi and seating by a fireplace. And I've seen this fireplace turned on, but only in the middle of a rainstorm. Then we have the fitness center, which is actually used quite often. You'll usually find around 3 to 5 people here in the mornings and evenings. But in the middle of the day, which is when I go, you'll rarely find a soul in here. I love using the treadmill. Then there's a fountain in the middle of the courtyard, which kind of reminds me of the intro to Friends. Then as you wander through the halls of the building, you'll stumble upon the leasing office and then this lounge area. Which has a little kitchenette. And also this chessboard. I myself am chess master. Just kidding. I actually don't know how to play chess. Lots of space to work and read. Then we teleport to the apartment. This apartment has a nice large bathroom with 2 entrances. Lots of closet space. And a comfortable bed. There's the desk, which faces the window, with a view of a billboard with Ryan Gosling on it. He gives me Kenergy, that's for sure. Then we have our kitchen space, which came with all its appliances and silverware and cookingware, which was quite nice. Then we have the dining room and living room combined in one. It gets a good amount of light in the afternoons with art on the wall. A nice comfy couch. And this television set. And the view of a grocery store parking lot. It also came with some decorative books. Shall we? So we moved from
New York
to Los Angeles. These are blue light glasses. Where do we currently live?
in the valley in California.
How did we find this place, pray tell?
So we were searching on Airbnb. We found this one user on Airbnb called Blue Ground. It's a company that has a lot of different houses all around the country, and they rent houses for short/long term. And we realized that there's a lot of houses here that they own, and the prices weren't too bad.
And how much are we paying?
Too much. I'm used to paying 500 a month in Italy. This place is 3,000 per month. And then you have to have a car.
Which the car we found on Turo, it's a red Kia. It's fairly new though, but how much are we paying to rent our car?
For the whole thing, so 2 months and something, 2,100, it's not too bad.
Huh? Yeah, coming from New York, the prices are pretty good except for the car part for me.
Why we chose this area? Because it's north, it's close to Universal Studios, it's close to Hollywood, it's close to Malibu. Close, meaning 30 minutes everywhere, basically. Less if there's no traffic, which never happens here, apparently.
It's nice and convenient because it came fully furnished.
And also good quality furniture.
Good
like
quality.
everything, it's things that I'm like, oh, I would buy in a house. Maybe not my dream house, but like, it's all good things. It makes you feel better when you have a good environment around you. When you're doing creative stuff, it's hard if you don't vibe with things, okay?
Oh, I see you moved the green ottoman. But you know what? Just for fun, let's see what it looked like in the old spot.
It's true.
Agreed. Agreed. And previously in New York, where were you living?
I used to live in the Upper West Side, and then I lived in the Lower East Side, East Village, and then New Jersey, so on the other side.
All the time, everything was furnished.
Pretty much, yes.
We've never bought furniture for our apartments.
Yeah, no.
Except in Milan, you did.
Yeah, oh yeah, when I was living in Milan, yeah, like I lived there for 4 years, so that was worth it, I feel like.
I was living in a co-living place similar to this. It's called June Homes, and I was paying $1,200 for 1 bedroom in a 6-bedroom apartment. So this is a great deal.
Yeah, and like divided by 2, you pay $1,500 here, so it's almost that price, and you have an apartment.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Good. Ooh. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this apartment tour, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Hint, we are going to the last bookstore. See you there. This is getting really good.
You cannot talk, it will be seen.
Really?
Just close it, I'll follow you.
Okay. These books are empty. Because for my
Props.
bloopers.
It's Hollywood.
It's Hollywood, baby.